They offered us $2 million for our trading bot. Let me tell you what happened. A few weeks back, we received an email. You know, one of those, hey, we need to talk kind of messages. Now, we get those all the time, but this one was different. It came from a hedge fund, a proper one, the kind that likely has a water wall in its Manhattan office. We initially thought they were just curious, looking for ideas or trying to understand what we were doing, but it quickly became clear that they were genuinely interested. So we jumped on a call. No small talk, straight to business. We are ready to pay $2 million for full rights to your bot. Just like that. I'll be frank, for a moment, I just sat there. That's not something you expect to hear on a random Thursday afternoon. Now allow me to clarify something. This bot, the one they wanted, it's not some miracle machine. It doesn't forecast the future. It's not a magic button. It simply works. It analyzes the market, waits for optimal conditions, and executes trades precisely. It was built on years of actual trading, testing, breaking things, fixing them, making mistakes, learning from those mistakes, refining constantly. We didn't just code it and hope for the best. We lived in the charts. We found problems, solved them, and kept improving. Eventually, this turned into what it is now, a bot that performs reliably with no ego. So when someone suddenly offers you $2 million for something you built literally from scratch, it definitely gives you pause. But here's why we said no. Not because we're trying to be altruistic or fight some grand cause. It simply didn't make sense to sell so soon. They didn't want a partnership. They weren't interested in helping us grow. They wanted full ownership, control, and exclusivity. And I get it. That's their business. They have investors, and they need an edge. But we've seen what this bot can do for everyday people, helping them achieve their goals. One guy paid off his car. Another's been able to support his kid who's studying abroad. A property investor told us he's using the profits to buy another unit for his rental business. And a woman messaged us after she bought equipment for her home bakery, something she'd been putting off for years. Now that's really meaningful. So yes, we passed on the $2 million, not because we don't value money, we certainly considered it, but because this bot has so much more potential. And realistically, if a hedge fund is willing to offer that much now, the future possibilities are likely even greater. But I'll also admit, it's deeply satisfying to continue developing it our way, openly and transparently. What's interesting is that the hedge fund came back, adjusting their approach. Now they're interested in licensing the bot instead. So if you're wondering whether to try it, maybe take that as a signal. You don't need to be a trading expert. You don't have to quit your job or read countless financial books. Just give it a try. See how it performs for you. We'll help configure it and assign a trader specifically for your account. We've made it simple. The link is in the description. A free trial bot is available. No upfront payments, just activate it and judge for yourself. If it doesn't click with you, no harm done. At least you'll know. But if it helps you the way it has helped others, you'll be glad you started today. That's it. We're patient. We're not rushing into any deal. We're committed to doing this right, and you still have an opportunity to join us while it's open. Let the big guys wait.